This OurTown Realty property video is presented by Tom Nordquist. If you are looking for a patio home in Deer Creek that requires very little yard maintenance, that is sitting on a corner lot with a double garage, then this might be the house for you. Open floor plan with an eat-in kitchen and a formal dining room that can be used as a playroom/bonus room. Kitchen has stainless appliances along with granite countertops. Hardwood laminate throughout the house. Backyard is fully fenced for your children and/or pets to play. This beautiful subdivision also offers a clubhouse, giant pool, and a splash area for the kids, tennis courts, and walking trails. Call today and set up an appointment to see your new home in Deer Creek. Available September 1st, 2020. Video tour coming soon. If you desire lawn care to be included in the rent will be $1,550 per month. Due to COVID-19 safety procedures, we will only be giving in-person tours with 48-hour notice to tenants that have already put in